Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change a background in your Squarespace account. It's very easy, so just follow my steps and you'll be done in no time. So first things first, we have to log in into our Squarespace account. So here we are. I believe you managed to get it at this point at our workspace. Now we have to make the difficult decision, which website we want to really make changes on. So let's start. In my case, it's the first one, so I'm gonna click on go to website, and here I am. We are now in the editor. What we have to do is click on the edit button on top of your screen. It's about the header of your website, so let's click on edit, and we can now change everything in our website. Let's say though that we want to add a background into this section of our website. There is a video, there is a button, but we are missing the background. So what we have to do is focus on the right side of your monitor, of your screen, and click on edit section. In here, we can completely ignore format, but we can go to background, upload an image, upload the video as a background, and also go with an art. Here we can pick a various arts that Squarespace prepared for us, but let's not use them. Let's go to colors. Those colors are affected by the design that you are using on your website. So let's say we want to go with bright number 2. So we have orange background with white elements. As you can see, it fits my buttons on the website, so I'm pretty okay with it. And once we're in here in the colors, and you see we have already picked the orange background with white lettering, we want to click on the pencil and edit it. If you find yourself that you really need to maybe tweak the shade a bit or make it more vibrant or less vibrant, you can change it in here in a header, like site title, navigation links, and many more options. You can also switch the whites with the oranges and many more options. Once you're done and you consider this is the done job, we want to focus on top left corner of your screen and click on save. And we are going to save all the changes that we made with this section. And that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.